Hey guys, and I have a little treat for you today. I did a video on kale, and right here, beautiful, beautiful kale, and curly kale. This big bag costs about $4, and one of the most nutrient-dense materials you can eat. And so what I did is I filled this up with kale. I drizzled some oil on it. I turned it over. I drizzled some more oil on it. I used a little bit of salt, pepper, and I used a little bit of garlic on there because I like the seasoning. And 15 minutes in a 350 oven. And enjoy. Very lightweight, very delicate. If you're looking for a little crunch and flavor, you can also add a little bit of Parmesan if you'd like. Wow. For a new, this is called kale chips. Takes about 15 minutes for this big batch. This batch probably cost $1 because you get at least 4 of these batches out of a big bag of kale, guys. This is a bag of kale. You know, it's bulky, so it takes up, it's just a pound. It's about $3 or $4, and you can make some wonderful snacks. You can also use this for salads and stuff like that. Just another way to eat kale. And you have to try it to understand what it's about. But no more than 15 minutes in a 350-degree oven. Should be nice and dry at that point. I take out the big stems. As you can see, the kale has stems like this. I pull the leaf off the stem and I throw the stem out. But beautiful stuff. Healthy. I use olive oil versus processed oils. Okay? You can also use different spices. You want a little cayenne on there, or cracked black pepper. I do use a salt pepper. You don't want to use too much. And I salt it before I put it in the oven. Very, very crunchy. Enjoy, okay, guys? Just a quick video on kale chips. Thanks, guys.